New tonight, a cyber attack exposing the personal information of 200,000 people connected to a Tacoma-based healthcare system.
Yeah, notices are now being sent out to all those impacted by the ransomware hack. But as our Omar Lewis explains, these cyber crimes are on the rise.
Names, social security numbers, and bank account information are just a few of the personal details potentially exposed in a ransomware attack, impacting 200,000 patients, providers, and staff members connected to MultiCare Health Systems.
Ransomware is the biggest threat. It can happen instantly, it can happen overnight.
MultiCare uses Wood Creek Provider Services as its medical practice management company. On Tuesday, Wood Creek announced that a vendor it uses, named NetGain Technology, was hit by a ransomware attack between November 24th and December 3rd of last year. The breached data was retrieved after an undisclosed ransom was paid. Brian Seeley is a cybersecurity expert for a startup based in Snohomish named Scientific Technologies and says that opportunistic hackers are increasing their attacks targeting medical records.
It is only going to get worse until more people have a solution that will actually do a job well enough to keep them safe.
MultiCare says the breach was isolated to Wood Creek's server, which manages a small number of pediatric clinics for Mary Bridge Children's Hospital and Health Network. But MultiCare says its primary electronic medical database was not affected. For those whose information was compromised, Brian says,
you change your oil in your car every couple of months, check your credit reports once a month, every 2 or 3.
Omar Lewis, Q13 News.
Well, just last month, lawyers for Wood Creek notified the state attorney general's office that it would send notices to the more than 200,000 people whose information was potentially compromised. MultiCare says those potential victims have now been notified.